Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make horse gram dal. For this I have half cup of horse gram and I have fried first and later I have broken them in the mixer. Rinsed them with water and these are the one, and I am going to put them in the pressure cooker. I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water, little bit of turmeric, some salt. And I'm going to cook these approximately 4 or 5 whistles. For dal, we need 3 medium tomatoes, 2 medium onions, garlic, ginger, chopped green chillies, coriander, half lemon for tadka, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and red chillies. My pressure cooker is done with 5 whistles. The pressure has been released completely. Now I am going to open. My dal is completely cooked. I am going to mash the dal with the spoon slightly. To cook onions, chopped tomatoes. For this I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add ginger, garlic, onions 1 cup and 1.5 cup of chopped tomatoes, green chilies 3 to 4. First I am going to add ginger, garlic and saute it for a few minutes. I don't want to burn my ginger and garlic. Next I am going to add green chilies, chopped green chilies 3 to 4. Saute it 1 minute. Next I am going to add chopped onions 1 cup. It's like 2 medium onions. I'm going to cook for 4 minutes the onions until they are soft. I'm going to add little bit of salt because I have already put salt in the dal, lentils. Onions has become translucent now. I'm going to cook for little more, like 1 minute again. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. It's like I have chopped 3 medium tomatoes. I'm going to cook these for 5 minutes, like closing the lid. I'm going to add little bit turmeric. I'm going to cook for another 5 more minutes without lid. I'm going to add hot water to my dal. You can add whatever consistency you like it. Now you can add dal to this. I'm going to add a little more water to this. Like I added 1 cup of water to half cup of dal. I'm going to cover with the lid, simmer it for another 5 more minutes. Now I'm going to add chopped coriander and lemon juice to this. Half lemon juice and chopped coriander. Switch off the heat and I am going to give tadka to this. 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can do it with completely ghee if you like. To this dal you can add a garam masala also at the end if you would like to. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Now I am going to add red chilli. Next I am going to add curry leaves and little bit of hing, Asafoetida. Turn off the heat and I am going to pour it on my bowl. The horse gram lentil dal is ready to serve. It goes very well with rice and rotis